Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Beautiful Bouquet. It actually has a die that goes along with it, but I'm not going to use that today. Today I'm going to just focus on stamping. So I have my Stampin' Pierce mat here, and I have a non-porous surface on top so that when I stamp, I'm not going to get my Stampin' mat all icky. I'm starting off with Petal Pink, and I am stamping off the gray granite, and because my lights are such that you can barely see the gray granite and this Sahara sand, trust me, it's faint, but they're there. It's just that my lighting is a little bit, it's bright for filming. So anyway, the first flower I stamped was Petal Pink. The second one was gray granite stamped off. The third one was Sahara sand stamped off, and now this is full strength Pretty Peacock and this tiny little flower. And then once I've stamped all that, I wanted to stamp the sentiment, and this sentiment is it says happy birthday, and it is the stitched rectangle die. I just happen to have a couple of these on my desk, so it went perfectly with this card design. I'm using Sahara sand for the card base, and then I actually forgot the centers of the flowers. So on the gray granite one, I used Pretty Peacock, and on the Sahara sand one, I used gray granite full strength. And then I'm just adhering the happy birthday, and that's it. Thanks for joining me, and bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.